Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to revisit contracts, and I want to talk about a concept called freedom of contract. In the United States, we have many freedoms, and one of those is freedom of contract. You've probably heard about caveat emptor, which is buyer beware, which is a phrase that's been around for hundreds of years. Well, freedom of contract is a principle that is applied through our court system, and what it means is just because you made a bad deal or you made a bad decision or you were in a hurry or you didn't read the contract or you didn't know what you were signing, or that is not going to excuse you from being bound by the terms of the contract. You have freedom of contract as long as you meet the prerequisites for forming a valid contract, which I talk about in another video. For example, you're of legal age. And so long as the contract is not about an illegal subject matter, you're going to have to perform it if somebody wants to push it and enforce it. If they just go okay and walk away, then you're home free. But if they want to make an issue of it and they want enforcement and they go to a court to enforce that contract, the court is most likely going to enforce it unless, like I said, one of the major elements of the contract is missing, or it's on illegal subject matter, or it's unconscionable. That's like a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious word, but unconscionable. And unconscionable doesn't mean it's unfair. It means that it is so far out that it is not something that the court can enforce. Now, again, unconscionable usually involves deception. It's not just take it or leave it. You have to sign this or else. It's not one-sided so that there's more benefit to the other party than you. And it's not where somebody has better bargaining power. You want a car, they're selling cars, you really need to get to work tomorrow, you've got to buy something, there's one that matches the amount of money that's in your pocket, so you sign on the dotted line and take it. And of course, I'm not talking about all the different ways and different specific circumstances where you can undo a contract, or there are separate laws that protect you as in a consumer situation. Those all still apply, but in general, unless it's unconscionable, you're not going to get out of it. In other words, it will be enforced against you. And so please read your contracts. The best defense is a good offense. Know what you're getting into before you do it. Have your eyes open and don't have any grandiose ideas that you're going to just get out of it later. Don't count on that, because you can't. So I hope this helps you. Pay attention, gives you a little bit of understanding. And if you have any comments, or you got a raw deal, or you're interested in a particular type of contract that you might be able to get out of, leave me a comment and I'll check it out for a future video. Please subscribe. It really helps us a lot to get the word out so that people can find the videos, and it also lets you know when the new ones are coming out. You can also follow us on Twitter or Facebook, and I'll see you next time.